can eat one lobster and there's also one.
Let's get a knife and chop.
And let's get a sweet treat. Remember the hotel I'm inside right now, and that is the breakfast, the dining area.
Yeah.
Let me show them all around.
Okay.
I think there's some seafood right there.
Oh yes, let's take a closer look later, okay? We shall walk there and then we can film.
But now,
Yeah.
let's eat all the food.
And this is the
Yeah.
and then look, there's a roast. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. The roast like a lamb. You want this?
Yeah.
Yes.
And then,
Wow, the ribs, you know.
and then I want lamb.
Yeah.
I can tell I'm inside the big. But you can go, you know.
Yeah.
You can go. Your mom and dad can go.
What's your name?
Kian.
Yeah? And you're Kian?
No, he's Kian.
You are?
I'm Aiden.
Ah. Ezra wants to start a YouTube channel, that's why. And we are all going to be baking today. Okay, Ezra has to put on an apron now. Yes. Hello, Ezra. Do you reach? You need the stool? Yep. All right.
It looks like sugar, and then I love sugar.
No bad reason, because he's a nobody to speak on mom.
My dad loves sugar. Yeah.
My dad is a
Look,
nobody.
the purple red, yellow red.
My dad's a nobody, but he don't hear.
First time like I have all like boys.
Look at the cookie.
What are you making, Ezra?
Hot chip cookie.
Yeah, but what are you doing to the cookie?
The thing is,
Just dots? Oh, look. She's eating all the, he's eating all the icing. Oh, it's all dripping
show
off.
my dad the red mouse.
Ah, oh, there's a bear
I
coming
need the teddy
out.
bear.
There's a bear coming out.
The red. Look.
Maybe some purple?
Look at mine.
Oh, very nice. It's a happy face.
Happy face.
Ezra's doing some very creative abstract arts.
And then I make some brown, red brown.
You done with that?
Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna have to eat that. You're gonna have to eat that.
Okay. I know. One for your dad, one
Is
for
that
your
the eyes, Ezra?
It's not Mother's Day. It's not Mother's Day. It's Father's Day. So that means just
Maybe
one
the
for
mouth?
yourself and one for your dad.
Dun, 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 dun.
I thought your dad said he hates sugar.
Exactly.
Icing. Oh, Dad's gonna eat all of that.
I would eat that.
Then I'm feeling less full.
That's the buffet right there.
Big eyes for a big time.
Yes.
Dun,
His
dun.
eye is crying.
You can make a smiley face, Ezra. Like, draw a line.
Okay, I'm doing the bear
And you can make buttons like a shirt.
I'm gonna do the bear.
Oh, you got it on your hand?
Look at my smiley face.
What the long is above the eyes? Oh my gosh! He's frowning.
It looks like Freddy.
I think you've blown it out now, Kian.
I'm gonna use.
Bloodshot eyes.
I think you've blown up the icing.
What is that? Is that a shirt?
Brown?
Yes. Still brown.
What is
Can I
that,
have the
Ezra?
brown?
Yours was with the rainbow.
Oh, how fun! There's trampoline in there. How fun! I want to get in there too.
Look! That's not my friend!
Hi.
Where's your baby? Oh, Mama Mia! That's all the time. Are you from the mommy and daddy? Oh, hello.
Hi. On the pole. Whoa. There's one kid coming down. Woo. Now Ezra's coming down. Wow. Good job. Was it fun? You're like a fireman.
Let's just wait here.
Well, shall we go?
Put your leg like this.
Huh?
Yeah, put your leg like this, then.
Oh, wait,
Like that.
Oh, I see. Oh my gosh, where has he gone? There he is. Oh,
Get in!
I'm not getting in there. Oh my god. That's not sand.
It's special sand. Mostly has even more sand over there.
Oh, I see. Oh. Oh, and it goes through the pipe. That's why I'm going into the space rocket.
Mommy must come up.
Huh?
Must come up.
I must. Why is that? Oh, it's like a space.
I can watch this.
Oh, he has been on the side. Bye-bye. Oh. All right, and where are we going now? Oh my gosh, I can't make it through there in my dress. How about you come through? How do you get through there? Wow. You're like a little army guy. And where does it go?
Here. Here.
I can get through there. I'm wearing a dress. Oh. 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 Oh, are they telling me I can get through here?
And then,
Oh no, another maze. Like, oh, how am I going to get through again? Look what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a dress. It's hard. Ah. Alright, here we go. Oh, we're back here now.
I'm afraid you will get.
I can't get through there, for sure. Come on. Oh my gosh, Ezra. What are you doing there?
Punching.
Punching. Oh, yes.
Hello.
When you're there, give us a shout.
Are you going down the slide?
Then you can go here.
Go down the slide.
Do you see Daddy? Daddy there?
Alright.
Let's wait for Daddy.
Hey, Daddy there. Daddy there.
Are you ready? Whee!
1, 2.
For a sec. Where are we going now? Oh, are we going into a space shuttle? Look at that.
Mommy, if you look closer, you can see
What's this
something.
down there?
Look, I see outside and I see outside. Mommy, now come here.
Alright, go. I'll see you on the other side. Oh, which way is he gonna go?
I'm going out.
Alright. Oh. There he's gone. Let's go look for him now. Is there a person there? Where are you? Where are you? Oh,
My kids.
yeah, you came down the slide, right?